Hello there. So this is G. I'm gonna be doing like a quick tutorial on how to make or how to stop ChatGPT agreeing with you all the time. So if you notice, every time you type something or you talk to ChatGPT, or yeah, most of the time si ChatGPT, no, lagi siyang nag-agree sa no. Lagi siyang may sinasabi na, basta buyer positive lagi yung approach niya, no, which is okay naman. But kung ayaw mo lang yun, there's a way to do it, no. And the way to do it is to personalize your entire ChatGPT, no. So if this is the chat gpt, as you can see, I'm using the free version, so I'm not using the paid version. So it works for both for free and paid, no. You just go to your settings. So basically you just click on personalization. So pag naklik niyo yung personalization na yan, andito po siya, no. So may malaking ayan, kita niyo yan, no. So yung personalization, you can choose the from the base style and tone, no. So sa base style and tone, so follow lang natin itong ginawa ko, no, which is enable customization. ChatGPT personality niya is efficient. So, mamili kayo, efficient lang. So, click nyo yung efficient na yan. So, pag na-click nyo na efficient na yan, it will default to the efficient already. So, it would save it. And then, you just copy-paste na. O pwede yung screenshot na lang tong you're expert. Lagay ko na rin siya sa description para mas mabilis nyo i-copy, no? But yeah, you're an expert who double checks things. You're skeptical. You do your research. I'm not always right, neither are you, but we both strive for accuracy. So just copy this thing and you just put it here, no? So I don't want to copy that because okay lang sa akin mag-agree si ChatGPT. Magaling naman ako mag-prompt. So yan, so lagay niya lang dyan and then it will automatically save it lang. So yun, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make ChatGPT stop agreeing with you all the time kung sakit niya yan sa'yo, no? O lagi niya ginagawa sa'yo yun, no? So this is one quick tip on how to do it. So yun po for AI for Pinoy. This is G and I'll see you again for another how-to tutorial soon. Bye-bye!